Hi YouTube, I'm back. Um, okay, so the last video that I uploaded was my, I think, outro, the premium purple tag. That hair was a mess, okay? Now, obviously, well, this is my hair now. With that hair, I went to the beach. Like I said, I was going on vacation. I got in the water, and the water and the hair matted. The hair matted, stuck together, and everything. It started shedding. I couldn't get it untangled, so I had to cut it. I had to cut it into this short, like like right, stop right here, and it was like a little bob, but it was so much worse, so I decided to take it out. But I said that I was going to be ordering my Genesis virgin hair in the last video, I believe. So I did. And it came in the mail today. I was trying to do a box opening video, but I was just too anxious, and I didn't want it to be messed up on the video, so I decided to wait. But it came today. I ordered the hair on Monday. This is unreal. I ordered the hair on Monday, and I got up a little late, so I thought it was going to be sold out, but it wasn't. I ordered the hair, and it came today, and today is Wednesday. The hair came in 2 days. 2 days. I keep hearing people saying it took them 7 to 10 processing days. No, none of that. The hair, I ordered it on Monday morning. I got the confirmation email with my tracking number that day, and it came today. I was in a state of shock. Sorry, I was in a state of shock. I didn't believe it, honestly, because I just kept seeing all the videos talking about it took so long and all the processing. No, it took 1 day for processing and 1 day for delivery, and it's here now. So I opened it up about I'd say 10 minutes ago, and I opened it up and I got her card. Her card was the first thing that came in. There's Genesis with her website on it. Um, the return slip, the invoice, and the directions of what to use, like conditioners and shampoos and everything. Um, yeah, so we're being straight hair. Okay, now I'm too excited. Now I'm just gonna get to the hair. So I ordered 18, 20, and 22 inches. This is the 18. It is so tall. I wish I could like show people this. Yeah, it is so tall. It's like I'm touching a baby's butt. Like I don't know if it's a good description, but that's just how soft it is. Like really, like okay, it's just perfect. This is the 18. It'll be at the top, so it'll come to like right here. This is the 18. It's like one D, very dark. My hair is one D. Let's see it blending. I only found one gray hair. One. It's still in the package. Like, it still has a little baby in it. I just uninfected 10 minutes ago, like I said. Um, okay. So, the next one is 20 inches. This one is nice too. Same softness. It's very long. Love long hair. So this one's gonna be like in the middle. So it'll come to like the end, like the end of my feet. The 18 cents. On the end, they're like I don't know what color, but they're like very light brown. I don't know if you can see. Kind of see. And they're light brown. Okay, and the last bundle, which is my favorite, is 22. Uh, 4, almost 2 feet. Like, you see, it'll be on the bottom. So, wow. So when I put it down, it goes has my, like, I'm 5'5" maybe. The 50 so has something that down. One sitting. And I'm getting this installed on Sunday. Oh, no, today's not Thursday. I'm so sorry. Ooh, yeah, today's Thursday, not Wednesday. I thought it came in 2 days. It came in 3 days. Not bad still. Um, yeah, these ends are light too, which I really like. So I really don't think I'm gonna have to ombre them. I don't think that I'm gonna have to dye it either because it's 1D. Very nice. I don't really know. Like this is my first love. People have addictions with weed and hair is my addiction. I'm getting it so in. I'm not mixing the three forces. I just see a whole bunch of people making waves with this right now. And I don't really see, I mean, I guess it's better. I don't really know, but I never had one. But I know that when I get my phone, so I'm going to put them all together. The ends are really light. This is the 20 is the lightest one. The color is light. This is the 20 and the 22. Nice and thick. Left to right. Not that thick, but they're nice. Ooh, excuse me. And this is all glued together. I'm about to co-wash it. But herbal essences, hello hydration. But the co-wash it. So funny. Yeah, that's good too. I don't know about the commercial smart that he was talking about. Yeah, I don't know. It smells great. It just got washed. This hair is really bouncy. Oh, so good. I really don't have any more words and stuff. I think I like it. This really be able to get any friends. Okay. So that time, I got like four, probably. Yeah, I know. Because of my nose, because one second, my shit, but it's going to get them done. I'll upload this video. But yeah, I'm just so happy. I'm about to fill my lap. I'm gonna go to Walmart and get some spray check or spray gloss or whatever it is. And I'm gonna have this installed. And I will do another installation video. Wow, these ends are really light. Yeah, I'm gonna do the installation video. Well, not the actual installation video, but like my installation review. Like As I get it installed. I just keep playing with it. And, oh my gosh, it's just wonderful. This is just so. I was praying I wouldn't get a bad bundle because I've seen a couple bad reviews, but this is just beautiful. So that'll be all for now. I will be back in 3 days with my installation video, or my installation review video. I really don't really have much to say about it because it's awesome. It's hasn't tangled one time. Keep running my fingers through it, no problem. No problem at all. So, wow. That's amazing. So I can't wait to come back with the video. Nice looking video. Um, yeah. See you later.